slows them down too. Okay, perfect. So it's finally up and going. Let me put you full screen. All right, we're good. Okay, so I have my student Edwin here. Edwin had a good week. He's all happy and stuff. So I mean, tell everyone like how old you are, um, where you're located, and then also like how much you started with.
Okay. Well, I'm only about 22.
Okay.
I have met Nehemiah over Facebook through a friend of a friend, but man, I really, I really didn't understand the power that the system that Nehemiah is bringing forward that I had. It's a really powerful system. I only started with $50,
Okay.
and I was able to compound my account to over time. It was taking about say about a month. I was able to compound it to about $200.
Okay.
But through disciplined trading, because a lot of people, they get into the system and they get caught up in, seeing other people, making killer profits. But
Yeah.
what you make it, because I don't think it's stressed enough of discipline. You
Mhm.
have to have discipline when when you're first starting out with small amounts.
Mhm.
But a couple of weeks back, man, I was actually just a week and a half ago. The time goes by so quickly. I was in the market, and I was using a system that Nehemiah has been teaching us about. The entries and the exits are very, very important,
Mhm.
and able to make a $200 profit off of one position, and basically that compounded my account from I had 500. Well, I started with 300, then it turned into 500, and then it was a couple other trades that I had open, and then it turned into 700. So, I mean, when you're dealing with small amounts, just stay disciplined. Don't don't over leverage your account.
Mhm.
I'll stick with a plan. You know, just stay optimistic.
And
Optimism is really, in my opinion, the best policy.
so
Having
that all
discipline
came
and optimism.
from the $50.
Yeah, yeah,
Okay.
and
That's some great return.
yeah, yeah. It took me time. I've lost in that game, but me just the confidence of being able to get it back is the thing that really got me. Like, okay, say I might have $100 in there, and then over time, say like I mess up on one of my entries, and I lose $75.
Mhm.
I'm confident where I can take $25 and have it back up to 50 by midnight, and then
Right.
back up to 100 by by different techniques, but it's definitely possible. But the confidence that his trading strategies have given me is really like top notch, and I really can't complain
Okay.
because
So
I've compounded my account at least 50% at the least you know within hours, matters of hours, and it's just really powerful and amazing just to
be able
the
to do
power
that.
that you have with the system.
So tell everybody, about like the week that you had this week, because you had like a great day this past or just what was it yesterday or um,
Well, I think yeah, it was a couple days ago.
Sunday?
Yeah,
Okay.
I was able to take out. I was able to take out my first $500 withdrawal,
Uh
and that felt pretty darn good.
huh.
Like I took it out, and right now I'm me with me, because I'm a go getter, and I like to put a lot of stuff on the line, but I like to challenge myself to discipline myself. If you can deal with small amounts, you can deal with large amounts. So I took out my first 500 deposit. I invested it into another product that I'm working on right now
Uh-huh.
with a company, and I was able to get that up and going past the patent process and everything. But
Nice.
It's just it was really amazing to be able to do that. But it's definitely not a scam. I know a lot of people think like, oh,
Yeah.
this is a scam. Like, oh man, like the
It's
first
funny.
time, yeah,
It's definitely funny
yeah.
that people are saying that. I mean, so I mean, like, what would you say to those people? Because you bought the training back in September. You've grown your account from 50 to into the thousands. You've been able to withdraw money. What would you say to those people that are trying to spread negativity about the Forex Fortune Factory?
Well, all I got to say, man, is like I'm shooting that negativity down. Y'all need to squash it because like it's uh, with forex particularly, you just have to educate yourself
Hmm.
on what it is first of all, because when people don't understand things, they fear what they don't understand. So you gotta at least give it a benefit of a doubt and try to research and see what it is at least before you dismiss the possibility. Because there's so many possibilities, so many ways of making money. And if it's, I know people say if it sounds too good to be true, then
Yeah,
it is. But in this situation, in this instance, it's not.
right.
It really is. And I'm coming from a low income family, but it really is what you make it.
Hmm.
You're gonna lose money, but your attitude, is what really helps you bounce back in those
Makes all the
difficult
difference, my
times.
man.
And happen, but just keep your head on right.
Okay. Well, I mean, hey, man, I definitely appreciate you hopping on here, um, and telling everybody your story with since you've been on the team. And I mean, hey, just keep killing it, man. Like you seem to be one of the most disciplined people to be able to do that from $50 to into the thousands. I mean, that's nuts, man. That's nuts, So just keep doing it, keep compounding your account. It's only going to get easier for you from here on out. So.
All right, man. Nemo, it was definitely a pleasure to be able to be a witness of VTN.
I, Perfect, man. You have a good day then. Thank you.
Yeah, you too. Peace.
Peace. All right, so that was literally like raw and uncut. You guys got to see it all. We really are changing lives with our Forex movement. I'm so passionate about it, like, um, to where like I have so many people and testimonials like that people are really changing their lives daily. That guy took $50 and flipped it into thousands. He just had $1,000 day the other day. I may not be able to find it in my phone, but I mean, you guys heard it all. But I mean, that's amazing to me, like, and I'm so passionate that I'm able to do this for people and deliver this to people because people need it. Finances are some of like the biggest things are one of the biggest things that it breaks up families. It kills happiness. It kills joy. It kills fulfillment. It kills a lot of things. So being able to do that is awesome. So I'm feeling good. Nemo's happy. And by the way, guys, I think it's in my about me on my YouTube, but my real name's Nehemiah. He kept saying Nehemiah, so I was wondering if you guys knew that, but real name's Nehemiah. I go by Nemo. It's just how it goes.